What is an annotated bibliography? An annotated bibliography is designed to save you time over the course of writing a research paper. The practice allows you to capture and organize key concepts and facts from a source that you can quickly access when you are ready to write it all up in your research paper. Sound too good to be true? Let's break it down. Let's start with bibliography. We know that when we're writing a research paper, we compile a list of sources. That list is the bibliography in citation format. This list is titled Works Cited if you are using the MLA citation style. So now let's look at the word annotated. Simply put, to annotate is to write notes or a description about something. So putting it all together, the annotated bibliography is your descriptive notes about each source on your list of citations. So what's involved in creating an annotated bibliography? Each source on your works cited list has two parts. Part 1 is a citation, and Part 2 is the annotation, which is a combination of your brief summary and evaluation of your source. Now let's build it. The first part is the citation we copied from the library database. The second part is the annotation. Again, this is the combination of your summary and evaluation. For the summary part, briefly state in an objective voice the main ideas and/or conclusion of the article, the expertise or credibility of the source, who published it, is it peer-reviewed, and the intended audience. For the evaluation part, identify the article's point of view, mention how it compares or contrasts to other sources. You can highlight important statistics or facts, and comment on how the source is relevant to your research. Here is an example of an annotated works cited list. You can see that at the top part is the MLA formatted citation, and the second part is the annotation. This is your thoughtfully worded paragraph that combines the summary and evaluation. It takes about 4 to 6 sentences and you should be all done.